the sun under a blazing tropical heat lamp. Gaze upon the most glittery jewelry in the entire Yucky Mart. But that's nothing compared to the squishy towers, a colossal condo of double-ply toilet paper, or the double squish ranch and its herd of thoroughbred race roaches. Welcome to Lifestyles of the Rich and Disgusting. I'm your host, Serge. All these wonders are owned by the world's richest banana, Ricardo. His peel to riches tale is the stuff of legend. Join me now for a peek at Ricardo's high-priced, trend-setting lifestyle.
Muy picante. Let the interview begin.
Ricardo, you live a life of glitzy gluttony. What more could an overripe tropical fruit ask for?
Excellent question, my television companion, but definitely not my real-life friend. What more could I ask for? Hey, how about my pedicure over here?
Right away, boss. Gotta keep those rich tootsies trimmed.
I have many rich banana things to do, but still I stay in touch with the little people. Like this ever-ripening fellow.
Don't give me that hoity-toity fancy talk. I was rich before your bunch even fell out of the tree. I had it all. Friends, music, and all the stale chocolate coins you could eat. But I lost it all. Betrayed by my best pal and my best gal. What I'm saying is, don't trust nobody.
Excellent advice. Everybody out! Too bad, so sad. Come back when you're rich like me.
I'm not sure that's the moral of my story. Or is it?
Hey, Egghead! First one to the garbage bin gets a day of gooey relaxation at Say Cheese Splatter Spa. What do you say? Hey, you're cheating! That's my job!
I'm the fastest thing in the world!
Did I forget to mention it's the first one to cross the store without touching the floor? You spew, you lose! Pizza face pole vaults for the win!
Burrito time! Spicy!
And stinky.
Back in the lead!
That's a long way down!
Not when you're in the swing of things! Oh man, I hate when this happens.
Too bad, so sad. Gotta fly! No! So, call it a draw?
We've been lost at sea for days!
More like 30 seconds, but who's counting? Ah! Every food for himself! Land ho!
Land who?
Land here! Hola, landlubbers! I am the renowned and oh so irresistible Capitan Ricardo. Welcome to my noble vessel, the SS Numero 2. You call this soggy diaper a vessel? But of course, Behold! The sails are made from the finest snotty tissue. Now, my delectably fragrant sea dogs, hoist the hairnet! So sweet, yet so dumb. The big net over the side. Dump it on the poop deck, and be quick about it. You are wanting a ship. Well, now, we have the greatest ship on the Yucky Mart Sea!
Ooh, we got another bite!
Well, what are you waiting for? Reel her in!
What took you so long? I thought I'd never get rescued.
Oh, it's Meathead. Let's throw him back!
No! Let me stay! I'll sweep the poop deck. I'll even poop first, then sweep it.
Unhand that sandwich! I, Capitan Ricardo, says that Meathead stays. Oh yeah? Well, I say he goes! This tub needs a new captain, and my wood-fired crust and delicious 4-cheese blend make me the perfect choice. So it's mutiny! I will see you walk the plank for this, my foolish friend. Ooh. Oops! My bad!
All hands on deck! Start bailing!
Plug that hole! I am too handsome to be waterlogged!
Now, where were we? Mutiny's over, Pizza Breath. Now walk the plank.
Your betrayal costs me to my beer. But perhaps we are too harsh, eh? My new companion?
Yeah, why don't we talk about this over a slice? My treat.
Let me think. Nah, sorry, matey. It's the law of the Yucky Mart Sea.
I will have revenge! Huh? You! Get away, fingers! This pizza ain't for nibbling!
That is what you get for messing with the masterful Capitan Ricardo, right? First mate Meathead?
Actually, I only saved the ship so I could take over. As of now, this ship belongs to Meathead the Pirate. And you're me squishy crew, Ricardo. Yarr! Now hoist the pirate flag.
Aye aye, you brutish one.
Swab that poopy deck. Hoist the snot sail.
That too.
Give me some refreshing juice, and it better not be kiwi. Raspberry onion, my fave. Now scrape those barnacles off the hull.
I do not think that is a barnacle. It's Doc Brock.
Same diff, scrape him off too.
Oh, come on! Fine, there's plenty of other ships in the sea.
That takes care of that. Ah! Enemy ship! Full speed ahead, Ricardo! Prepare for battle! Yarr!
Aye aye, my Capitan. Arr!
Oh no! Captain Sarge! Meathead the Pirate is on the attack!
What? When? Where? That scurvy dog won't take my ship without a fight! Battle stations!
Load cannons, Ricardo! We're gonna send that riding fruit bowl to Davy Jones' locker.
Aye aye, Capitan. But may I ask, who is this Davy Jones? And why is his locker located at the bottom of the sea? His gym shorts must be most soggy, which could lead to chafing of the tender regions.
Stop yapping and start pirating! Ready, aim, fire! How's that for a fruit punch?
Nah, missed me. Missed me again and again. Now he's really got me charged up. Well, what are you waiting for, Doc? Return fire!
Eat seeds, you pirate poopheads! I can go all day!
No one defeats Pirate Meathead! Refreshing!
Time to break out the good cutlery. As my beloved grandmother used to say, there's no stank like pirate foodie booty stank.
It's garbage-geddon! Give him everything we got! Charge!
Prepare to be boarded!
No one shipwrecked my ship but me!
That's right. Shiver your timbers at the fearsome meathead the pirate. Hello, evil pirate talking. Oop, we're sunk.
Uh-oh, it's the big one! Cannonball!
I hereby declare you captain again. Feel free to go down with the ship. Bye.
You are too kind.
Not again!
Check out the surge spin!
Hola, my dudes and dudettes. This hot banana is hanging dead.
Mommy!
Oh, come on!
Want something done? Call the thin crust with extra cheese.
Ooh, wait! Epic wave, right, guys? Guys? You're not gonna hold all that pirate stuff against me, are you? We were just having fun, right?
Having fun now, meathead? Cause I'm getting a jolt out of this.
Wait! It's not my fault. This is all Ricardo's idea.
My condolences, my foolish foot-long friend. But we are powerless to deny the law of the Yucky Mart Sea. Buenas noches.
Yeah, Yoshi!
See ya, matey.
Hands off, Rocky. I called dibs on the last soda.
Yeah, after I saw it first.
Well, it's got my name all over it.
Last time I checked, your name wasn't Scuzzy Cola.
Give it.
You give it.
It's mine.
No, mine. Let go. No way.
Uh-oh. Hey, who turned out the lights? I am mucho afraid of the dark.
Hey, Ricardo! How's the new job?
It's a living, my foot-long friend.
How do you like that? Ricardo hogged all the soda. Quit slacking, Ricardo. I'm paying you to do odd jobs. The odder the better. Not to stand around blabbing with riffraff. Now get to work.
Baroom!
Ricardo, stick your tongue on that fly zapper.
Thank you, but no. I'm on a strict no-insect diet.
Do it or you're fired.
Very well. Since you asked me so nicely.
Did I say fired? I meant fried. I dropped a tooth in there. Find it for me.
As you wish, boss. Hey, what is this? A blotto ticket? Perhaps my luck is about to change.
Huh? Blotto ticket?
Mine!
No, mine!
Give me that!
You give it!
Actually, the ticket is mine. You see, the finder is the keeper, and the losers are the weepers, who get fired and flushed. To scan or not to scan? That is the $1,000,000 blotto ticket question.
What are you waiting for, Ricardo? You want to be a squishy toilet brush for the rest of your life?
Blessed mamacita of chance! My ticket is the big winner! Oof. I am no longer what the poets call flat broke.
Enough celebrating. Now that you're filthy rich, you gotta learn how to look and act rich and filthy. And I'm just a classy guy to show you how it's done. For starters, you're way too pale. Wealthy folks love their fake tastes.
This tan does not smell fake. It smells banana-y.
Whoops, better turn up the heat. We're late for your hair appointment.
But I do not have hair.
You do now.
No, not even. Oh boy. No. Perfect.
Some unnatural color, and and a spritz to achieve maximum helmet hair. A tornado couldn't undo that, too.
As I always say, the peel makes the banana.
I'm in my banana birthday suit! Hey, who is this dashing fruit? And what has he done with Ricardo?
Now for the icing on the cake, aftershave. I mixed it myself out of prune juice, pine air freshener, and rusty pipe water.
Oh, yes. I positively reek of success. I am a new banana. Now be gone, peasants. I am too rich to associate with the likes of you.
I told him everything he knows. So proud.